just leftovers from the funeral yesterday, so I couldn't eat the rest of that, like, leftover dinner for the rest of us. It was nasty, so I ended up gagging. So I'm gonna have this. Find the appearance. Got a shirt. It's not cold, but I have this Calvin Klein jean jacket from when I used to work there. And to see if I could stretch it out, maybe. That I could use it for my new job, maybe. I don't know. It's kind of uncomfortable, but we'll see. So, peace.